Okay, students, Jai Hind to all of you. So let us begin our new chapter, which is uh, chapter number 35. It is advertisements, right? So, what are advertisements? Have you seen advertisements?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, how many kinds of advertisements do you, before the kinds, what is an advertisement? Is it a kind of communication?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, like we have letters, like we have notices, we also have various other modes to communicate our things, to convey some message to the masses, right? And one such other type is your advertisement. Advertisement can be in print mode, it can be in hard copy mode, and the one which you come across in various, like journals, print media, electronic media, they are also kind of advertisements, right? So now the question remains same, that what is an advertisement? I have given some inputs. Any of you, what is it?
Presentation to advertise.
Those who are not opening their cameras, they are not from welcome. So if you are in uniform, then only interact. Yeah, Angel. Angel Dwivedi. Angel, unmute and say beta.
Yes, ma'am.
What is an advertisement? How would you define it?
Advertisement helps us to communicate and to
And to Aditya,
Ma'am, advertisement is a medium in which we can give or receive information about a particular thing.
right. So one has said that ma'am, advertisement is a way to communicate. Other has said that we provide, while we communicate, we provide a number of information data. And now the thing is that what is the way of communication, right? Are we simply communicating? Are communication is verbal or is it written? Advertisements are played on radio and on All India Radio and on FM channels as well. Have you heard those advertisements? Have you ever heard?
Yes, ma'am.
वो भी तो advertisements है ना? They are also kind of advertisements. There, the time limit, say a new coaching center is being established, maybe say career launcher is a new, like platform to seek knowledge for CAT examination, for ZAT examinations, for, taking up these MBA entrance examination, pan India or maybe overseas. So if a coaching institute has advertised, they may play this advertisement on some national FM channel and it will be played for a specific time limit. Yes, where all the details, phone numbers, location, courses, admissions are communicated. Say the admissions are open now, so contact your nearest branch immediately. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But
For
here,
I'm with yesterday in our group for admission for
yes, and yesterday also one advertisement has been flashed in your class groups, combined groups, that admissions are now open for classes 1 to classes 9 in your own institution, right? So here we are going to talk about the same advertisements. And advertisements, it says, say let me read the brief part. Advertisements are an integral part of today's booming economy and this consumer-driven world. The world of advertising has invaded each one's everyday life in a big way, whether it is through radio, television, hoardings. What do you mean by hoardings? Have you seen big banners?
Big size
Very
problem.
small. Right, right. So, or the print media, that is newspapers and magazines. So now, what is so special about these advertisements? These are effective medium of giving or receiving specific kinds of information. Writing advertisements is an art because advertisements include a lot of details given in a concise, brief, and appealing manner. What do you mean by appealing manner? When something is not appealing in nature, people will definitely will not feel connected and they may not react. Right? Yes or no? Say if a teacher is teaching in class,
Yeah.
the teacher has to sense what is the target group. If my target group is very active, dynamic, then I need to command them accordingly. But if they are like slothy bear, polar bear, a polar bear even is very active. उसको भी कंपेयर करना यहाँ पे ठीक नहीं है. So accordingly, the instructions and the verbal pattern differs. Yes or no? There are so many students who are always active, irrespective of if the teacher is teaching or if the teacher has come a bit late or there is some network problem going on. They will always be there tapping on the teacher through WhatsApp. They will show their activeness, right? Irrespective of whatsoever. So advertisement has to be appealing. There are various forms through which we can make our advertisement appealing. Now, one such, it further says that it also contains informative captions. You know what is a caption? A caption is a line which appears at the bottom part of any picture. And it is very true in case of your, say, if you read newspapers on a daily basis. So if recently Republic Day parade has held at New Delhi, right? So every picture has a caption that it is, say, if Jaguar planes are being flashed by all the three combined defense forces, or if some, foreign minister, or if some foreign chief guest has arrived at what is this place name where this parade occurs? I'm forgetting. What is the name of this place? Rajpath, right? 2 kilometer long way. See, Rajneesh, you have again come. I removed you from the meeting. Do not join my class. Leave. Right. So, let us have a look at what is a display advertisement. Display advertisement target a large group of people and have catchy captions. Now, before you, there are two display advertisements, right? Look at them, observe them, and we shall be taking this discussion at further level in my next lecture. Right? Now has come. Do read it and do finish your picture composition part. Right? Upload it in Teams next time when I come in the classroom. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.